walking the dog. Oh, the C. This is CJ. This is Jordan. This is me. I look wretched. That's all. And this is Dusty. Got my Jordans on. People gonna be like, why this girl got a dress on and it's cold? Granny gonna say so too. She got the new mic.
Oh, you can see that. Hers says
That's Dookie. I'm scared of this house right here with those bigger dogs. I know. It's the next one.
I gotta get over here because that dog don't care if you get electrocuted.
Right.
I don't want to get electrocuted. Get away.
I'm gonna get that mug. That mug almost taller than Jordan.
What's about?
And that's almost your height. Jordan at your shoulders.
Yeah,
Look at, who is that? With those big old bike tires. Run, Forrest, run.
I'm faster than that.
We know. Man, we...
Can you tie up my shoes? Tell someone can you tie up my shoes?
Oh my God.
I know my shoes can't go over.
Don't leave us.
I will hold it.
Stop.
You stop.
You stop.
You stop.
Run.
Oh, man.
He got doodle. He got doodle stuck on him. Who said you can walk the dog? Granny.
No, he wanted to come out.
They got a dookie right there.
What?
It's yellow.
Right.
Hey, you like Dora?
No.
I'm sorry I got you on video, but okay, come on. Look at Mari. Oh, heck no. Those big old dogs. Let me zoom in. Man, Dusty.
No.
Dusty. Stop running. Why you let go of the leash? Hey. It's cold.
Oh my God. Oh God, that big dog. That's my dog. She won't bite. I promise.
Oh, heck no.
I just told the gate I'm using so that she's going. No. Come on, Dusty. No, Sasha. Sasha, no. Oh, no. No, get her. Get her. No. No. Sasha. Sasha, no. No, Sasha. I got it.
Dusty.
No, Sasha. Grab her collar and don't let her go anywhere. I'm getting her. How did she get out? I was opening the gate to get in and she got out. Come on, Sasha. Let her out. Sasha.
Dusty, you alright? Come on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, Dusty. Calm down.
Slow down. But I do know that God is still.
Alright, come on. Dusty, alright? He ain't hurt you because I'll beat that dog up. He using it. Oh, no.
I need my shoes.
Oh my God. Here.
Okay, guys. Nobody will believe this. But just
Wait.
be excited. But look at that.
Gee.
And we got me Jordan. Look at those big
Houses. Hey! Man, you tuck him in. I'm tired. Tuck him in. Tuck your shoes.
You had enough of this.
Right. What if that was big dog? I was running from that mug. That mug was right. Dusty was in front of me. The dog was like 2 steps from me. I was like,
Come on, Dusty.
oh!
Trying to get that dog.
Right. This way like this. The dog dragging him. I should take his bike. Oh my God, I want to watch this video already. Come on, Jordan. Jam your jacket.
He ain't know that
Ooh. I was like this.
I was like,
You was like what?
I was scared. I was like, come on.
This is taking the dog for a walk. Bye, y'all. Well, I'm going oh, this phone can't pause.
You
But
come back out here and go with them?
yeah. But
We'll be back.
we'll be back.
Here, I got this.
Alright, y'all, we just switched places. This video 7 minutes already. They trying to run away. I guess she just stopped. Hey, that's the seat. That's it. Say, his eyes just grew up. Well, we gonna stop the video when we How to stop it? How to stop it? How you gonna stop it? I'm gonna stop the video when we get to the house. How you gonna stop it? We can't. I don't know how. I'm gonna end the video. Hey, you wanna go over there and get ate up? I'm be like, Jess, you wanted to go over there, so I just took him over. That's what I'm gonna say to Granny.
You almost got bit by that dog.
Come on, Dusty. I'm happy that dog didn't bite because that mug was finna bite me on the leg. Because that mug was. Come on, Dusty.
I thought that dog didn't bite me on the head.
That's a tall dog over there. Where? Over there. That Dusty was just working. You talking about that horse? Yeah. That's a Great Dane. I call it a horse Dane. Come on. Come on, Dusty. Come on, Jordan, because he gonna take off. He gonna Alright, y'all. No, wait. Don't end the video. This is my neighborhood. This is my neighborhood.
No, this actually our neighborhood.
It's our neighborhood.
That's all.
Hey, don't end it yet. Let's go show them the pond. Yeah, let's go. And then we'll go over there. We gonna take Dusty in the house. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm finna give y'all one last glare at him.
I never knew that.
Yes.
Can I walk the dog now?
Dusty.
Can I walk the dog now?
Alright.
No.
We gonna come back out. Glare. Cause it's cold and we trying to start in the pond right now. Come. My fault. Go on, Jordan.
Look at her walking.
And this kind of jacket I finally. Really cold. My hair's super
Alright,
cold.
Dusty, go in the house.
Sanaya, do you know I did not know who you were? Your hair is that braided and it's dark, and I thought that boy brought a boy in his house. I was gonna say, oh no, baby, ain't no damn something here. I sure could have said it. I had to just stand there and look until I figured out that was
Ah, I see Dusty.
in the picture house before it was.
Can we see the video?
He's so cute.
Dusty's not a me. Okay.
Alright, come on.
No, Dusty, don't. No, Dusty, don't come out. Hurry up, hurry up.
Alright, y'all, we'll be back outside.
I got both of y'all puppies. Because I said, let me hold the camera. Oh, go best friend, that's my best friend. Wait. Yeah, we finna go to the pond. Yeah. I'ma zoom in for y'all at the pond. What's up? I'ma zoom in for y'all at the pond so y'all can see the ducks. But this a nice neighborhood though. Big houses and everything. Yeah. Our house is bigger than everything, but they're not bigger than the town. I'm starting. Right, just
You cut from this video.
cut. And Jordan, whatever you do, do not do nothing stupid. Do not fall in the pond, because I'm not trying to reach in that dirty water.
And then the face gonna come wrap around my leg and my arm.
Right, and then now I'm falling in the water. CJ gonna try to pull us out. Then he gonna fall in the water. Then
then
what?
he gonna
Then
have
what? Then what?
Then you gonna have to be strong, man. Throw y'all out.
And then I'm
sacrifice
a
yourself.
yell for him. He gonna try to get us.
A water shake. There's a field over behind the woods.
Private property. It's like private property. We can go over here.
You can't hear him.
Don't drop my phone in the pond now. Zoom in. That say don't come over here.
Alright, this our pond.
Ain't no ducks today. Where did the that water is so deep. Let me see. I do not want to get bite by a water snake. What's up, dude?
Subscribe for more of our videos.
Right. Cut.
Over and out.
Cut. But anyways, we gonna be doing more videos, and make sure you subscribe so we can and comment for more videos for us to do more videos. Yeah.